Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Priyasha Das, an XLRI alumni, helping you navigate your MBA journey a little more smoother. And this video is one of the most commonly asked questions when anyone starts their preparation for XAT, and that is, which mocks should we buy, Priyasha? Well, if you also have this doubt, then in this video you're gonna get a very detailed answer. And इसमें मैं कोई भी recommendations नहीं देने वाली based on any sponsored video or something like that. This is completely unsponsored. And second thing which you need to understand is I will leave you in a stage where you can make a very informed decision based on what type of student you are, what's your learning type, what's your budget, etc. तो इस वीडियो को लास्ट तक देखिएगा, बट मैं पहले ही रिमाइंड कर दूं कि अभी तक चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है, देन प्लीज गो एंड हिट दैट सब्सक्राइब बटन. Also, please like this video if you find it useful, and most importantly, share it with more people so that everyone gets to know about Crack That. So let's get started, everyone. So पहले सबसे पहले I literally want you people to know that there are two categories of mock. Category number 1, category number 2. Now, what is this category based on? It is based on the learning type or the kind of student you are or your preparation standards currently. So how would you know where you stand right now? What you're supposed to do, अगर आपके पास time है, then ideally take 3 previous year XAT papers as full length mocks, वही टाइम स्केड्यूल में जैसे कि टेस्ट के लिए मेंटेन किया गया है, and then write down your scores which you're getting and find out the average. And in case you don't have time enough and you're watching this video late, then you can also do it with one of the XAT PYQs, whatever you prefer, whichever year you prefer. Most probably try to go for that question paper which you haven't solved before. Okay, try this. And if you're a repeating student and you know where you stand based on your previous year performance, then you can also take that into consideration. इससे होगा क्या प्रियाशा? इससे ये होगा कि आपके उस ईयर में उस पर्टिकुलर स्कोर पे क्या परसेंटाइल बन रहा था, उस पर हम बेस करेंगे कि आपको कौन सा मॉक लेना चाहिए. सो स्टार्टिंग विथ, इफ यू गेट मोर देन 90 percentile, then you are suitable for category number 2, minded. And if you get less than 90 percentile, then you're suitable for category number 1. So what is category number 1 type of mocks? Those are those type of mocks wherein every single step of the mock you get very detailed solutions, very detailed videos, detailed PDFs, detailed practice material to go and get yourself better at that particular thing जिन questions को आपने either छोड़ दिया था या फिर गलत कर दिया था. So that is learning at every step. दो वो ज़्यादा पॉपुलर मॉक्स नहीं है तो बहुत सारे लोग उसे नहीं देते, तो माइट बी अ डिसएडवांटेज इन द पॉइंट वेयर यू वांट टू जज वेयर डू यू स्टैंड विथ रेस्पेक्ट टू अदर्स. वो प्रॉब्लम हो सकता है, बट कौन हो सकता है, बट प्रोज में it provides you learning at every step and is comparatively cheaper also. Okay, that is category 1 type of mocks. But what is the thing for the people who have got plus 90%? उन लोगों के लिए, why did I ask you percentile? I'll just correct myself. Why did I ask you people to go for category number 2? Category number 2 are those type of mocks which are generally from the very renowned best coaching institutes. उनकी कौन मैं क्लियरली बता दूं, इवन इफ दे से दैट दे डू एवरीथिंग फ्रॉम स्क्रैच, दे एक्चुअली डोंट. दे गिव यू द मटेरियल्स which is needed for a foundational or scratch learning, but in the class they do advanced level questions only. Same is applicable for their mocks also. Their mocks are slightly harder than the actual examination level also, because their thinking is that if a person can do these questions, they can easily do the questions which are in the real examination, and therefore they'll eventually get a better mark. तो उनकी इस पीओवी को अगर आप मैच कर सको तो ही ऐसे मॉक्स परचेज कीजिएगा, अदरवाइज यू विल एंड अप वेस्टिंग अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम and mental peace, because you will be frustrated over the marks you will be getting initially and getting demotivated for your study. So that's why mock category 2 is only for the people who have their foundations clear, they know the basics, either they are repeaters or the people who are good at the basic understanding of all the topics coming in the examination. अगर आप इस category में fall करते हो, only then go for this. Well, I've listed the category 1 best mocks according to me, according to more than 1000 mentees who have been there with CrackSat for the past 3 years now. उनके एक्सपीरियंसेस, उनके रिव्यूज और ऑफ कोर्स मेरे खुद के एक्सपीरियंसेस और रिव्यूज के बेस पे ये लिस्टिंग है. इट्स एब्सोल्युटली अनस्पॉन्सर्ड गाइड. एंड यस, एट द एंड ऑफ इट, ऑफ कोर्स आई नीड टू टेल यू दिस वेरी क्लियरली दैट आपको अगर बजट का कंस्ट्रेंट नहीं है देन डेफिनेटली गो फॉर चूजिंग वन मॉक ओके फ्रॉम आइदर ऑफ द कैटेगरीज, क्योंकि एक जो मेजर प्रो है मत बताना भूल गई फॉर कैटेगरी 2 is that more number of people give this, especially the serious candidates give category 2 type of mock. So if you really want to see where you stand and what type of percentile you really expect in the examination, you know उनके percentile predictors अच्छे होते हैं क्योंकि उनके बच्चे ज्यादा होते हैं, then of course you should take one mock from category 2 also. But अगर budget constraints हैं and you are falling in the category of less than 90 percentile, then I'll strongly recommend you to go for mock 1 category. ओके, चूज एनी वन ऑफ देम। और अगर इसमें भी कोई स्पेशलाइजेशन चाहिए, अगर आपको अपनी पर्सनल क्वेरीज मुझे बतानी है, जैसे कि मैं इस तरह का लर्नर हूँ या मुझे ये चीजें आती है, तो मुझे इसमें से कौन सा लेना चाहिए, लाइक कैटेगरी 1 में से कौन सा लेना चाहिए, so if you are comfortable asking me out in the comment section, do let it know. Or else if you want to personally ask me this question, then you can use the free query section from TopMate. The link has been added in the description box as well as the pinned comment. So with this, thank you so much for your attention in this video, guys. Make sure you like this video without fail. And yes, do let me know in the comment section on which topic do you want me to make another video on. And yes, most importantly, ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट। आपका एग्जाम बहुत अच्छा जाएगा। और अगर एग्जाम की प्रिपरेशन के बीच कभी भी आपको मेरी जरूरत पड़े तो याद कीजिएगा। ओके, टेक केयर एवरीवन, do hit that subscribe button as well and share this video with more people. Thank you, bye bye.